I'm Prasanna from SomniaSupply AI. We built an enterprise autonomous supply chain risk and compliance agent that monitors global trade shipment 24/7 and detect regularity and violation and execute productive action automatically, all powered by Somnia Agentic Infra. So let me show you like how it will work. So first, let me connect it with my MetaMask wallet. So yeah, now it is connected to my wallet, and you can see it was currently in some Agentic testnet. So I will start by uploading an cargo manifest CSV file within a 7 shipment. Watch what happens. So you can see like you can add your shipment, or you can upload it by SPC, or you can also import this by TMS API. So you can see like our platform has a selector like Swap, Oracle, and that custom JSON loop or any data, and you can see like every 30 seconds or every 1 minute, 5 minutes, or hourly basis as well. So let me import and importing a test shipment file. So now it will start to analyze the attached file. So it will take some 5 to 10 seconds to analyze it, and you can see it will scan the manufacturer's card, and the radar will be activated. So you can see like it has been given us the path like Shanghai to Los Angeles, cargo cleared, all pass L1 node compliance algorithm with 3 by 3. And the agent immediately initiates all 7 shipments and register each one by one by Somnia L1 with a cryptographic hash proof and begin autonomously risk scanning across OFAC, sanction list, and EU regularity database and FDA recalls and live custom APIs within a seconds. And the flight planet populates with a real risk score. Like you can see the SSP 001 at 12 and SSP 002 at 10. Like this, it will be started to give us the risk score. And you can also see the view chain verification as well with an on-chain hash and proof target hash. So the 2 shipments automatically trigger both the live steamer shows every block confirmed in a real time. So now let me click one of this by like ASHP 005. So our critic alert, the agent detect on OFAC sanction match the listing. The consumer panel shows the 3 independent Somnia validator nodes all reach identically deterministic outputs using temperature zero interface with a fixed seeds. So this is not like a one AI making a guess. It's a cryptographic process. The whole executes automatically, and insurance standby activated, and the transaction as is permanently verified on chain. So you can see the list of like the logo and the destination and carrier evergreen and all the details here, and like upload released, and you can like click upload release. So once it is released, so you can see the L1 state mutated like the other Sanchez exactly back into Somnia block 4913438 and the shipment details. So here is why we built this Somnia Agentic L1, not a traditional chain, but a normal smart contract or term calculator. So they show data but can't think. But Somnia Agentic L1 has a AI interface as a native native. So our agent does not call an external AI. Hope for the best. So it terminates tasks. So it terminates the task to the Somnia network and validator node executes and deterministic LLM interface inside the consensus layer itself. Same input, same seed, and the same model. Every node produce identical output, and if they do not match the transaction file, so this gives us a trustless verificationable AI decision with sub-second finality subs and gas fees. So the backend architecture is straightforward. Like our node JS run manages the agent lifecycle, interval based scanning, and Gemini API for prompt construction, and the Somnia Agentic Kit for task submission. So when concerns like returns our callback contract handles the 3 states, the success triggers auto holds or insurance file, and retires once, then escalates, then timeout flags for a human review, and then the vault self-manages gas credits and auto refills when the balance drop below the threshold, and every spend is in auditable in Square's panel. So here you can see the Sentinel portal where you can deposit credits and withdrawal credits. So as of now, I have 99.9 ASTTP. So you can, if you wish, like you can deploy it. So like deposit it, and you can see currently the L1 autonomous scrapping the core Sentinel scanner, where it will scan each SHP005, like the number like what we have been uploaded, and you can see the L1 agent status. In left hand bar. So the impact is immediate. The supply chain managers and currently IR streams to manual check 10 different regularity scores across different time zone, and one missed OFAC update at 3 AM cost $200,000 in a seized cargo. But in Somnia Supply AI replaced that with a single autonomous agent that never sleeps. So never sleeps, never misses, and proves every decision on chain. For enterprise, this is a tax compliance cost by 70%. For regularity, every action has a cryptographic proof for the industry. So this is what the trust autonomically actually looks like. So that's a Somnia Supply AI, where compliant does not just monitor, it acts. And let me show you my GitHub, so where I have pushed the code, and so you can see the full like, in-depth README, and also our registration transaction hash in Somnia Network Explorer. So we have deployed the smart contract as well. So you can see our agent ID as 54 and on-chain register exposed. And so this is our system architecture. And the target source file, you can find our L1 infrastructure file where the code is present, and the agent primitively, and smart contract file where it's present, and our API backend integration file, and our smart contract details and everything. And you can see our checklist, what are the things that we done in Somnia L1. L1 and the smart contract and the Web3 frontend portal and website. Sorry, the wallet and the full stack backend service integration, and then the LLM compliance mapping and works logic, and how we can set up and run the instruction and its messages. Yep. So let me Thank you for giving me this opportunity, Sonia, for this build this amazing project. Thank you so much.